Recording now.
All right. Here we go.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, this is so nice.
Alright.
All right. Let's do this.
Holy cow, I did not notice this. But my GoPro is actually recording. Holy shit, that's awesome.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're going into the canyon now. Ava, it's a good thing you're not doing this. There are actors, scare actors.
Scare actors that will jump and scare the shit out of you. Let me
Yes.
poop out of you, actually.
We're going
for Ben's
into,
sake.
We're going into the abyss.
Hey, got everything, Sean?
Yes, I only brought 2 items.
Well, I bought 3 apparently.
Woo,
Careful.
woo, I caught myself. You caught that.
Yes, I did. Okay.
At least there's a railing. Ty, do we need to hold hands?
Probably a good idea.
Serious? All right.
I'm scared now because
You're scared?
a little bit.
This was your idea.
Oh no shit. If a zombie comes up, you are the first man to know. Oh, you're hilarious.
You gotta have a positive attitude. You just gotta keep going.
I had to boo out of somebody, but that is just me. Not funny. Thought I heard something back there, man.
I had to do it. I'm sorry.
You're not funny.
I'm sorry.
You're scary.
I had to do it.
But no shit, you had to do it.
Oh, look at that. Look at that thing.
This is ancient, but it looks pretty good. Sean's in limbo. Fresh limbo.
Hey, look at that.
X does not look good. We should get out of here.
Ooh, look at the creepy. Oh my gosh, is it dark?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was thinking this was a good idea for Ava saying hell to the no.
Yeah, Ava, you had the right idea. Woo, almost walked right into the camp.
Nice work.
Hey,
Could you hit yourself harder?
yeah. Let's try harder. Let's try. It's showtime.
Tell that to most of the hosts here. Don't do that. Holy shit. Is it just me or the water's emerald green? Look at this. Look at this.
Water is emerald green.
Nah, it's not funny. That's actually kind of terrifying.
Oh, of course, why did they pick this location?
Well, it's actually perfect, but honestly, not funny.
Yeah,
Either way.
definitely. Oh god, here we go.
We should just keep the gun going. Can somebody just shoot me if
Okay.
not scenario.
Poor choice of words. I'm a man of my word.
Good. I feel a little bit of chest pain, but it's actually my heart shaking and it's beating like a drum, and I don't like it.
So you're saying you're terrified right now?
Quite a bit, but my senses are like spidey senses. They're freaking out.
Something don't smell right.
Well, ominous people, that's one. Second would be obviously people that are gonna. The hell was that?
That's just it. Oh, I was just messing with you. Oh, look at this. They have a nice. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Are we okay?
Here we go.
Oh fuck!
This
Oh
is
fuck! Oh
awesome.
fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Oh, this is awesome. Oh, I can hear him. I can hear him.
You okay?
Yeah. Ooh, wow. First big step.
First down this way.
No, just follow the lights.
Oh Jesus! Oh, thank God my mother's not doing this.
Oh yeah, big time. All right. Oh, look at that. Sorry.
Sean,
Yes.
where are we getting at?
I don't know. Looks like some kind of fisherman. Or
I'm about to
something.
go really insane in the last 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Sean,
Yes.
Where I drop you off. The trail goes forward from here. Have fun. Hope to see you back. Hope you return.
oh thank God. Well, goodbye.
I can't say the same for my friend though.
I'm about to go completely insane, Sean, so don't judge me.
Oh, you got this, man. Come on.
Thank you.
10-year-olds do this.
I smell them, and there's trouble up ahead. Maybe a few meters. Hang on, crack
Really?
behind us now.
Okay. I do have to pee though.
That's not good. You should have gone while you still could.
I didn't have to go though back then.
Oh, well, now that's a problem,
Hey.
isn't it?
It could be two things. I can use it as a self-defense. Ah, oh, crap.
Piss gun, I love it.
I'm a skunk now. I feel much better.
Do you?
No.
No, I didn't think so.
These shirts are very absorbent.
Oh, fuck, oh, fuck, oh, fuck,
You
oh,
know
fuck
some
me.
shit.
No shit, someone's up there.
I can see them.
Where do you see him?
I'm not telling you.
You better tell me, Sean. This is a big deal.
Just keep the camera like focused like right around this area. This whole like dark lighted area. I guess not. Oh, up ahead, up ahead, up ahead.
Okay, thank you for that. Oh,
Pretty
fuck.
much wherever there's red light. Just stay on this side of the thing.
Okay. Sean,
Yes,
Sean,
yes,
Sean,
yes,
Sean,
yes,
protect me, cone.
no.
Protect me, cone.
I am not a cone. Do you see any orange on me?
I would. There's someone else up there. He's following me. He's following me.
Yes, he's right behind us.
Yes, I can see that. Look, see, there's your evidence. Here's another piece of evidence that I'll never show again.
You know, I can just sense this right now. I bet you I get at least 10 pebbles in my shoe.
Cool. Wait a minute, the crossroads. What is the crossroads? This is where the badger comes in. Look at this, Ava.
I know, this is awesome.
This is where it gets really, really up and intense.
Yeah.
It's a good thing we have lights.
I'm still behind you.
Really? God damn it, Sean, not funny. Do you see him now?
No.
Do you see him?
Yes.
Where?
Maybe.
Exterminate.
Yeah.
Exterminate, doctor. Come on, explain.
Oh, we're going through a tent.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Sean?
Yeah. Are you sure? Let's just go through it.
Ah, fuck's sake.
On and on, the sakes, man. It's like
Ah! Ah!
it's a camel tent. Was that you screaming?
Yeah, he scared me the shit out of me, man.
Oh, hi, hey, oh.
God damn.
This is fun.
This is how it works on Fright Fest, okay? Shush. Don't judge.
The only danger is if someone actually scares you, you have a chance of falling because although the stick.
Do you see anything?
No, I can't.
Well, that's actually your problem. So, Sean, you are up ahead by a quarter mile. Where's that noise coming from? Oh, found it.
Just up ahead.
Is that a shovel or what?
Maybe.
He's right behind me.
Someone said dinner? Oh, River's Edge is right up there.
We gotta keep going.
Yeah.
This is the Kurds talking while the cowards are talking.
The cow. Oh, hang on. Okay, good.
We're good?
We're good. I just want to make sure that was make sure that wasn't good. It is kind of bumpy there.
You can't see shit, so we're kind of SOL.
Oh yeah, just do this. Oh, which side do you think it's going to happen to? I see this side. No? This side? Anyone?
Sean, what's up? I got wax on. Ah! Fuck me, this is bad. I don't know, that was me.
That was my friend.
Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, it's dark, it's dark.
Oh.
Jesus, tap dancing Christ.
Oh, here we go. Narrow.
Narrow's not good.
Straight and narrow.
I'm making sure I don't run into that.
All right. Woo.
You caught up to me?
Hey, watch your head.
Watch your head, Ty. Right there. You get pretty close to the camera. Scary stuff up ahead.
Really?
No, but that was it.
Schmuck.
You lose for that, by the way.
I lost the best?
Yeah, screaming first.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yes. I didn't scream at all yet. This is awesome. Oh, careful. This is narrow, Ty.
Okay.
Very narrow.
Okay. You gotta turn kind of
Got
right.
through okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. Right
Got
here.
it?
Hello.
Sideways again.
No one's behind you. Would you come on? What's his name?
What's his name?
Your name.
Oh. Bye.
Bye.
Ty, bye-bye.
Ty-Ty's going bye-bye.
What's your name? That's what I could have it. What's your name?
Oh, look at this. Hello. Look at this. We're really cool. That is so cool. Yeah, that's a snail.
Horrific snail.
Yeah.
Ouch! I just got a whole rock Amelia.
Oh, think then, Ty.
Hey, bye.
Shut up. Very much.
It was a snake.
Have you seen these people before? Neither have I. But beware what's on your right, while on your left.
Yeah, okay.
I hear fears. And I am very terrified right now. I just want to go home. I would kill zombies, not this.
This was your idea.
I know this was my idea, but you left.
Watch
And you
out.
won the bet. Hang on.
Watch your head.
Claustrophobic. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, not a good thing if you're claustrophobic. Shoot. What's up over here? Oh, that is actually very good. Very good. Okay, watch your head, Ty.
Okay. Don't do it. I'll come after you in your sleep, mister.
I have to, Ty. Oh, this is nice. This is nice.
Oh, shit. Sean, what were you after?
We got a giant dude.
Hello. Goodbye.
What's smart?
Goodbye.
Watch out, Ty. Oh man, this is great.
My uncle. You guys ready to testify?
Okay, what's up? I don't think you're gonna get much out of this because does this have night vision?
I don't know, but I'm hoping.
I'm hoping too, or else this is gonna be just a radio.
It's one of those radio things you don't want to see or hear.
Oh yeah, yeah.
She like screamed so loud. You guys okay?
This is awesome. I'm having fun. Are you?
Yes, I'm trying. It's not easy. Oh, gee, Jesus.
What certain doom awaits us next? I don't
Shit
know.
happens.
Where do you think, or do you think they can bring it together? Stop it!
Happy, that's all, folks. No, I'm just teasing. That's all at the beginning here.
It's
No,
only.
it's not. They take us back through.
What?
They take us back through.
They do?
Yeah, you have to walk back. That's why the line. That's why we're
You
stuck.
gotta make sure you go very slowly and creep like a zombie. They'll walk with you.
Yeah, well, get your limp on here. I'll kick you.
No. Get your pimp walk on.
Let me kick you in the shin here and I'll let you walk like a zombie. You bastard.
Well, I got Bones of Frankenstein or Dracula, whatever.
Yeah, there you go. You want to watch a scary movie after this?
I'll pass.
Yes, we have to go back. Oh, look at the stars.
Oh, the only thing that lights us are at night. Oh.